Have you ever driven across the Portmore Toll Road after midnight? Well, you might not be alone. There's a ghost story that's been haunting Jamaican roads for decades. People call her the woman in white. Some say she's a nurse. Others say she's a restless spirit still searching for her missing shoe. It all starts on the causeway late at night. Drivers report seeing a strange woman standing still by the roadside. She's dressed in all white. She doesn't move. She just stares. But here's where it gets creepy. Moments later, when you look back in your mirror, she's gone. Next thing you know, she's right beside you in the passenger seat. Locals say she was in a fatal crash many years ago.
Follow Jamaican true story.
Her foot got severed, and legend says her spirit can't rest because she's still searching for the shoe she lost that night. People have heard her dragging her foot on the road. That slow shuffle, that eerie sound in the night. Fishermen by the beach have seen her too. Crying, limping, walking near the water, trying to pull them in. One old story says a fisherman once took a piece of her shoe to fix something. After that, his life was never the same. Could that be the reason she's still around? This isn't just a ghost story, it's a piece of Jamaican folklore. And even with the bright lights and fast traffic, the Portmore Toll Road holds secrets that you won't see in the daytime.